What's going on in Chicago? I said the other day, what the hell is going on?
That's all you need, guys. Marinara sauce, chicken, or whatever meat you choose. Mexican cheese, pita bread. Put it together. Cheap, quick, and easy. Kids love it. It's my homemade pizza tutorial, y'all. Simple, easy, cheap. Kids like pizza, get some pita bread. Don't matter what kind, just pita bread. Did it with the marinara with spaghetti sauce. Whatever little meat's under it. This chicken, that's for my baby girl. Put the cheese on it. Pop that sucker in the air fryer. Cut it up, you got pizza. Be back with y'all in a second to show y'all how it works. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen, the finished product. Pizza for my badass baby. Cook on Mr. Good Looking, you know what I'm talking about? Get back at y'all.